Hey everybody, this is just a quick video in case you have a Miele brand tumble dryer and you're getting an error F242. So what is this error and how can we get rid of it? So first of all, what is the error? So the error is basically the electronics in the machine is throwing up some kind of anomaly or some kind of fault somewhere in here. And unfortunately for us, it's not localized where we can just go in and try to fix it ourselves without calling a technician. So you're probably going to have to call a technician. But before you do that, with these electronic faults, one thing that you can do that's quick and easy and will sometimes get them cleared out is just like a computer, when it's acting up, one thing you can do is just do a hard restart on it, and then sometimes it will just get things working again. You can do the same with your dryer. So if you just do a hard restart, you just want to turn it off. And then once you've turned it off, you want to disconnect it from power. So either unplug it from the wall or turn it off at the circuit and leave it disconnected from power for a full minute. Once that minute's up, you can restore power, turn it back on, try to run a cycle, and see if that doesn't clear the error out. And hopefully it does. If not, you're probably going to need to call out for service, but this may clear the error. So anyways, I hope this helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.